What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Booze, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. First, I want to shout out to my sponsor for the season, 1320 Junkie Performance, for sending me this dope swag, the hat, and they also sent me their Cold Air intake. It's called the DD149 PMAS Cold Air intake. Let's get in this video, man. I want to, start another video of us doing another unboxing. Of course, as you can see, I'm still stuck in the house, just like everyone else, trying to stay safe, and hopefully this virus hit gets over our heads, and we can go back to our normal lives. So let's get in this video, man. Let's see what this intake is all about that they sent me. Okay, we got the couplers. Coupler here. And we got the tube. The tube is made out of T6061 aluminum, powder coated black. That's cool. All right. Let's see what this intake's all about, man. From what I'm hearing, it's huge. Wow, holy shit, man. Look at this thing. Look at this intake, man. Guys, check it out. This intake is huge. I mean, mine right now is a JLT 148 millimeter, and this one is 149 millimeter with the PMAS math housing and their filter. I think the filter, they said, is 7 inches wide from the base, but holy shit, look at it. Look at the inside of that, guys. Look at the inside of that, man. That is huge. So much air is gonna be coming in here, man. I can't wait to put this thing on. Wow. This is crazy how big this is. I hope this fits in my area, but it's made for the 07 to 2014 GT500, so it should fit. Let's see what else we got in this box. Let's see if I can put it together for you guys. Got the clamps. All right, okay. We got another coupling. That's cool. Coupling. Let's see if I can put it together real quick, man. Don't laugh, man. I can tell already this is not gonna be easy to try to make this fit. This is crazy, man. Let's see what we got. Let me get this side on. And again, I'm doing this when it's all dry. Typically, when we put this on, we spray like some type of spray or water with soap to get the couplers slide on easy. Okay. Wow. Look how big this is, man. Some muscle in this, man. Holy shit. Gotta put some muscle up in this. We gonna get it. Don't worry, we gonna get it. You're gonna fight with me, man. Not gonna fight with me. Ain't gonna look pretty, but not gonna fight with me. So I can get this bad boy to fit in there now. Let's see this one gonna fight me. Woo! It's gonna fight me. This one's gonna be a little more tough, but we're gonna get it. Gotta work it in, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work it. Let's see, maybe I can go from a different angle. All right. Okay, you got it. I told you I was gonna get it. Here you got it. The DD149 PMAS 1320 Junkie Performance makes the tubing, PMAS filter, and then mass housing. It also comes with data sheet of the mass and all the hardware to connect your mass sensor here. It's crazy. Look how big this is. And of course, we have, what else is in here? We have the heat shield also. So that's cool. Got the heat shield. You want to keep it as cool, keep all the heat out. So there you go. The DD149 PMOS cold air intake. Thank you, 1320 Junkie Performance. Can't wait to put this on. See how much power it puts out. Boy, this thing is huge. And if anyone's going to ask, what does DD stand for? And I'm not joking. It stands for donkey dick. It stands for donkey dick. That's what they told me. I guess because it's the size of a donkey dick. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. The pricing on this is, I think it's $625. I will put all the information and the rest of the info on the filter and how to purchase it in the description below. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Have any questions, hit me some comments, man. I want to interact with people. Everyone else in the house. I'm in the house. I have nothing else to do, so definitely hit me up. Peace. Thanks for watching.